the maybe the simpler method. So if I want to find lowest common multiple, let's say find LCM of, let's say 12 and, let's pick an easy one, 15. If I want to find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15, first thing we go, it's not factors. So if you're thinking the number 3, you are not on the right track. Multiples will be bigger, the times tables answers. So I'm going to do the listing method for this. I'm just going to get the number 12 and do my times tables answers. 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4, 12 times 5, 12 times 6. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I could keep going, but I'm going to also list all the times tables answers for 15. Well, not all of them. I'm going to go as far as I think I need to go. 15 times 1, 15 times 2, 15 times 3, 15 times 4. Now I would stop here. Why would I stop? Because I have 60 in both lists. It's a common number in both lists. It's the lowest common number in both lists. It's the only common number in both lists. As soon as you find a common number, you stop. So I could have done more here, but usually do 3 or 4 of one list and then 3 or 4 of the other list until I find something in common. You can list more if you want, maybe the first 10 in each list, and usually you find it after 10. So what is the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15? It is that number we just found, which is 60. Okay. That is the listing method where you just list the answers to the timetables and look for the common number in both lists. Okay. Highest common factor using a similar method. HCF of 2 numbers. Let's use larger numbers. 27 and let's say 54. The highest common factor of 27 and 54. Well, I'll use the listing method. Now, one way you can do the list of factors is, you don't have to do them in order. So the list of factors of 27 is I just think of 2 numbers and multiply to give 27. They're called a factor pair. For instance, 1 times 27 is a factor pair. Give me another factor pair of 27. 3 times 9. Okay. Any more factor pairs for 27? 9 and 3 is the same factor pair. Okay, so these are my factors. These numbers are my factors. You can list them out again if you want. You don't have to. 54 then, I'm going to list out my factor pairs as well. I'm going to start off with 1 times 54. That's a good start. 2 times 27, yeah. It's divisible by 2 because it's an even number. 9 times 6 as well, yeah. Anything else? 3 will go in. 3 times 18, very good. 2's already there, 27. So you've done 1, 2, 3, divided in. 4 won't go in. 5 won't go in. 6 does go in. 7, no. 8, no. 9 we've already done. Okay, once we got there, we're on the way back. So we've listed all the factors. 157. What's the biggest number that's in both lists? There's a few in common, isn't there? Because one is a factor of the other. 27 is the highest number that's in both lists. 9 is in both lists too, but it's second highest. It comes second in that race. And 3 comes third and 1 comes fourth. But 27 is in both lists. And it's the biggest number we're looking for in both lists. So the highest common factor of 27 and 54 is 27. It's one of the numbers itself. Okay? So that's the listing method. I'm going to show you another method in a second, but first I'm going to get you to try some of these. Have I frozen the screen? I have. That's not what I want. So make sure you have a note of that taken down. If you don't, maybe take the 2 examples down because you'll be thinking, how do I do that later on? If you're confident in this you probably have seen before.